Welcome on Omni Academy. It's a platform for UGC NET JRF and a various competitive exam. Here you will get a guidance related to competitive exams. So this video is basically about thinking about career. Like really we can see a student of 12th class already examination cancelled. So what they can do if they having home science, so what they can do, the student of BSc and MSc, so what they can start in their career, they must take home science as their option. Is it really good to take home science as a career option, or home science have a career or not? So that's basically a question in the student's mind, that what they can take home science as a subject or not. So don't worry, here we will guide you related to home science, what to do after BSc, what to do after MSc. As a student of BSc also have a question that which of branches he or she must take. So don't worry, Omni Academy stands with you. Omni Academy guide you. Omni Academy give you the suggestive option from which you can opt home science as a career. In your career you can make a best career with home science. So let's join hand together, let's stand together. We can do various options from home science, and we can make our career from home science. Home science is not just a subject that included like a household course, that include stitching, that's include the field work. No, but here you will get a guidance of the 5 subjects, 5 branches that make you complete capable to as in profession, as in family, like all of. So home science is basically a comprises of 5 subjects: food and nutrition, human development, textile extension, and we can talk about family resource management. So when these 5 subjects make a one subject like home science, so it's like a big or diversity or a variety. I can talk about for choosing as a career home science. So yes, career in home science have a life, career in home science have a profession, career in home science I think that you want to do that is in home science. So basically we can talk about which type of career in home science is it. It's basically a government jobs like IAS, PCS, all of the competitive examination. You can crack TGT, PGT. It is like trained graduate and postgraduate examination for teaching in the school level as a lecturer. You can give various state level examination like DSSB, RPSC, UPSC, and a lots of. So government examination have a career in home science. Private job also have a career, like we can talk about nutritionist, dietitian. You can build up your own clinic in NGOs, in gym. Play school teacher you can talk about as a fashion designer, social worker, as an assistant manager in different governmental jobs, or like you can open your own kind of clinic and all. Next thing that you can do in home science is startup. How you can start up in home science? Is it really how you can? Yes, home science also have a various startup, like many of alumni of home science you can see they have a various own business like diet consultancy, like kid play school, catering service, interior designer, family counselor, and your own NGO, non-profit governmental organization. So like lot of career you can open in home science. Next, yes, higher education always have an option in every subject that you can opt for. Like if you are in 12th class, so you can take BSc home science, you can graduate, you can do postgraduate, and if you are postgraduate, so you can opt PhD as your in higher education. But after qualification of NT NET UGC JRF, you can choose PhD. After qualification of JRF, you will get the scholarship. So here that the career option in home science, so you can choose any of the career: BSc, MSc, PhD, government, private, startup, a lot of career in home science. So join our live classes, contact us on the number that is given on your screen, on the description box. Let's learn together, let's join together, let's stand together for various competitive examination, for your better career, for better future. Thank you so much. Thank you.